Hello, everyone. I'm Alan Young, CTO of Advantech. Welcome to this episode of AIoT CTO Talk, Digital Twins from Virtual Models to Real Business Benefits. We are honored to have invited Alex Zhao, Technical Director of NTT Data Taiwan. Hi, Alex.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Alex. Thank you for inviting us to discuss digital twins and MES. It's our pleasure to share our ideas with you.
Digital twin has been a very hot buzzword these days. What exactly is a digital twin? Borrowing from Gartner's glossary, a digital twin is a digital representation of a real-world entity or systems. When we consider about starting a digital transformation, digital representative of the assets, of the individuals, of the processes in our business scenarios, on our business production sites are quite critical. And how to implement a digital twin, it basically takes software object or model to encapsulate the essence of a physical object, a process or organization, a person, or other abstraction. In Advantech's engagement scenario, we have applied digital twins to industrial assets as well as the patients in ICU units of many medical centers. And data from multiple digital twins can be aggregated for a composite view across a number of real-world entities, such as a power plant, a city, and related processes. So I think the essence is that in our real world, it's a complicated, complex structure, and digital twin kind of mirror that composite structure of the physical world. About the business essence of the digital twin from Gartner's February 2020 Industrial Research Report, it says that the digital twin market will cross the chasm in 2026 and reach 183 billion in revenue by 2031. In the survey, consists of 353 companies. Over 99% of the companies indicate due to COVID-19, they will accelerate the investment on digital twin to build up the capability of remote management and off-site production. So digital twin has come in handy, especially during this COVID period. So the business application and benefit of digital twin, it comes in the form of a cyber-physical system. So on one hand is the real world. On the other hand is the abstract cyber world. And digital twin forms the bridge to interlink the physical world and the cyber abstraction of the physical entities. And they form a virtuous cycle because once we digitize the real world, the data from the digitization forms intelligent asset that drives the optimization of the digital representation of all these assets. And in return, we have the opportunity and the foundation to drive, to elevate, improve our business into a service-driven business. So this virtuous cycle has the digital twin sit at the middle that interconnect the physical world and the cyber world. How do we go about starting building the digital twins? Again, Advantech WISE-PaaS give a viable option. In this slide, at the middle, it is also the digital twin offered by the Inside APM service framework. So asset modeling to construct the digital twin sits at the core if we start to build digital twin. And the data feeding into the digital twin come from connected industrial assets or from the data we accumulated in the IT system we have built before. So edge data acquisition and IT data ingestion feeds the data, the useful data, into a data lake that is in cloud native microservice framework that support elastic scaling and multiple tenants. That's the foundation and the data platform that supports the the digital twin that we would like to build. So at the center of this slide is this so-called asset modeling. And asset modeling is the core of the digital transformation effort. And how do we facilitate the interaction of these digital twins with the experts and the real users that go through the digital visualization? All right, so through all type of command center and dashboards, the data we accumulated in these digital twins provide intuitive representation to the expert user so that they can quickly realize what is going on in the field that provides enhanced transparencies of the real field on these dashboards. And again, the data collected in this digital twin needs to be analyzed, right? The analysis leads to a decision, and decision leads to actions. And through the analysis, decision, and action, there is a judgment loop involved. And of course, human experts can do this judgment. And another possibilities is to bring in data-driven industrial AIs to facilitate human experts to constitute 7x24 ongoing optimization, monitoring, and decision-making for our entire site. So in the end, WISE-PaaS low-coding framework is a convenient and well-proven facility for customer interested in building digital twins to look into. Inside APM services is the core service framework in WISE-PaaS that enable customers to start building digital twins. So it covers fixed asset, mobile assets. It covers the topology of how these assets are arranged, layout on site. And it also connects to the responsible teams who needs to respond to any service or management need of these assets. And the Inside APM is a low-coding, configuration-driven service framework. Users can start from choosing the right templates, the right components that is already existing in Inside APM, or they can use the templates to build up their own new templates. So starting from the component library or templates library to start express the key attributes of the digital twins by configuring the digital model. And then from there, start to associate how these digital twins need to be visualized. So through these slides, we have provided a few of the screenshots of the visualized 2D or 3D visualization of the digital twin that some of our customers has put together. So to briefly recap, digital twin is a digital representation of physical assets in the field, and composite digital twin will be the main object of interest of our investment when we endeavor on digital transformation journey. If we look at the application scenario of Industry 4.0 digital transformation, again, WISE-PaaS is a viable option for our customers and partners to consider. And the idea is, again, starting from the edge connectivity and building edge solutions. And the edge data goes into the WISE-PaaS data platform with inside IPM digital twins forming a composite view of our processes or our site of productivity. And based on this composite view of digital twins, we can start to add analysis modules, decision modules, and feedback action modules to improve the performance, to reduce the unexpected downtimes of all these digital assets. So in the end, we will be able to derive additional enhanced business value, additional enhanced services to our customers through this AIoT digital transformation enhancement. And again, many of those enhancements will be delivered through industrial AI at scale. But at the same time, we need to bring in process-driven partner solution to complement all these digital twins to make the entire process into an effective closed loop. And NTT Data's excellent MES is one such example that jointly together with NTT Data's excellent MES, we have successfully landed many success cases at our joint customer sites. And I would like to invite Alex Zhao to introduce NTT Data and excellent MES and how we collaborate together successfully to deliver business value to our customers. Alex, please.
Before our explanation, I would like to give a brief company introduction. We come from NTT Group. NTT Group provides comprehensive IT service through branches around the world. Our IT services include data management and configuration, cross-application programs, ICT management, data center, and telecommunications. As to NTT Data, NTT Data is a subsidiary specializing in IT services. Our services cover 50 countries and regions around the world. The number of employees is over 130,000. The Gartner report ranked NTT Data 6th by IT service market share in 2021. About our department, SMDC means Smart Manufacturing Development Center. It is a department that provides the service of smart manufacturing in NTT Data Taiwan. We have 5 teams. One team is Excellent MES Development Team. A team provides MES consulting service. We also have Factory Automation Team, a Big Data and AI team, and a Sales and Marketing team. From the information perspective in manufacturing, ISA 95 defines 4 levels. Level 2 is for equipment automation and control. The corresponding system are SCADA and EAP. Level 3 is for factory management. MES is the corresponding system. Level 4 is for enterprise operation planning. The corresponding system is ERP. And we provide customers with the total solution ranging from level 2 to level 4 based on the model definition of digital twins on the Gartner. We would like to explain more about entity metadata. Let's take a look at the bottom left side. This is a part where NTT Data can enhance the function of digital twins on WISE-PaaS. MES provides BOM and routing, and MES also provides master data and real-time information on quality equipment, and operators. The reason why MES can enhance the functions of digital twins is that MES works as a cyber factory. In the physical world, when it comes to factory management, man, machine, material, and method are four important and dispensable concepts. MES can manage the four dimensions correspondingly in the cyber world. For example, equipment management in the physical world will be equipment control, equipment maintenance in MES in the cyber world. Once digital twins integrate with MES, just like the reference model shown on the previous slide, digital twin can grasp all the manufacturing data from MES, including man, machine, material, and method, and can modify the models, then optimize the physical process based on the cyber world that MES built. Excellent MES is a manufacturing execution system. Let's talk about the 7 features of this system. Containers technology adoption makes excellent MES deployed quickly, either on the premise or in the cloud. Besides, microservices allows customers to choose flexible solution by state. Excellent MES is different from the server-client architecture in a traditional MES. Middleware adoption with a built-in message queue integrate with other systems easily and make sure that data can be transferred to the designated system. According to MESA, Manufacturing Execution System Association, MES is defined through 11 core functions. We follow the definition of MESA. So, excellent MES is composed of 10 modules. Excellent MES satisfies the manufacturing demand from all perspectives. 10 modules represent 10 microservices, so customer can adapt the module flexibly.
Thanks for Alex's clear introduction of NTT and Excellent MES. And obviously, Excellent MES is a very good choice for a factory to go about digital transformation, particularly when it is used together with WISE-PaaS Inside APM digital twin service frameworks. Together, we have successfully landed in many customer sites. And we do have a fast-growing success cases in many different industrial domains, in smart city, in manufacturing, in factory, in energy and environment. Partners and customers, after hearing through this episode on digital twin, and if you are interested, welcome to contact your Advantech sales representative. We will be very happy to provide you with additional information to make a proposal on how to implement digital twins for your scenarios and start your digital transformation journey. Thank you for your time in listening through this episode of AIoT CTO Talk. And Alex, thank you again. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.